Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are cooking up a storm. My niece and I, we're gonna do baked potato, some fried wings with Parmesan cheese, some beef with broccoli. So this is the preparation, so stay tuned. So the potato is on the fire. I think she boiled it before she bake it. Yeah. The season for the beef, so already sauteing. We are halfway through frying the wings and the macaroni. We are also doing macaroni and cheese. The cheese is now added to the macaroni. Sorry about the first preparation. I didn't get to show the beginning of the macaroni prep, but yeah, I have a macaroni and cheese already on my channel, so you will see how it is prepared. Alright, so this is it. The cheese is already added, so we're gonna add it to the oven soon. Potato is now added to the oven. Yeah, so this is the final product. Potato is already done baked and the chicken is already done, and she's adding the melted butter with garlic to the chicken. Now it's time to add the cheese, the Parmesan cheese to the wings. Yes. And that's it. It is now ready. Ready. So our baked potato, some added more butter, melted butter with garlic to the top. So it's baked potato, Parmesan chicken wings, and mac and cheese with some beef and broccoli. That's the menu for today. It's like a birthday splash menu. Yeah. Yeah, yummy, ready to be eaten. Just waiting on the beef and the macaroni. Here comes the macaroni. Macaroni is going in the oven and the beef is on the fire, sauteing with the broccoli. The beef was already cooked, guys. Yeah, I missed that process, but yes, the beef was already cooked. Now is the time for it to saute with the broccoli. So it's beef and broccoli. All right. Yeah, we'll cover this now and let it cook together. All right. So in no time, there goes the macaroni and cheese. Looks so delicious. And there goes the beef and the broccoli, all looking so delicious with our baked potato and Parmesan chicken wings. And that's it, guys. Our birthday dinner is ready, courtesy of Jada. Bye.